Most people think fixing their credit requires one big move, like paying off thousands of dollars overnight or disputing everything at once. But the truth is, credit repair is a game of small wins. Just like an athlete doesn't become a champion in one day, your credit score doesn't transform overnight. It's the small, consistent actions that stack up and completely change your financial future. Today, I'm going to show you why small wins matter in credit repair, how to create momentum with them, and how those little steps add up to massive results. Now, in the book, The Power of Habit, they talk about Michael Phelps. He didn't win gold medals because of one big race. He won because of the small habits he repeated every single day. He had visualization, training, the same routine over and over. Those small wins add up to world records. Credit repair works in the same way. You don't need to do everything at once. You need to start winning small battles daily, weekly, monthly, that eventually turn into a financial victory. Let's break this down. Why do small wins matter in credit repair? Number one, they create momentum. When you pay down even $20 on a credit card, you feel the progress. That motivates you to keep going. Two, they build confidence. Each win proves that you can improve your credit. Three, they form new habits. Paying bills on time, checking reports, disputing errors, this becomes part of your lifestyle. And over time, those habits transform your credit profile. Now, here are some examples of small wins you can start right now. Start off by pulling your credit report from all three bureaus. That's a free win. Dispute just one inaccurate account instead of trying to do everything at once, unless you obviously have some type of guidance. Set up auto pay on one bill to avoid late payments. Pay an extra $25 on credit card balances this week. Call a creditor and ask them for a lower interest rate. Open a secured card with a small deposit and use it responsibly. Each of these actions may feel small, but each one moves your score in the right direction. And when you stack them, you create unstoppable momentum. If you're serious about repairing your credit, I want to invite you to join my free private community. Inside, you'll get access to resources, accountability, and support. Plus, I highly recommend signing up for credit monitoring, which is only $29.99 a month. With that, you'll also unlock access to Credit Complete Pro, which is my step-by-step program teaching you how to clean your credit from start to finish. You'll also get Debt Negotiator Pro, which shows you exactly how to settle accounts the right way. And here's the best part. You can schedule a free one-on-one Zoom call with me where I'll go over your credit profile, detail the inaccuracies, and give you the step-by-step plan. You'll even get a recording of the call so you can follow along at your own pace. That's how you go from small wins to big victories. Think of it like this. One on-time payment today becomes 12 on-time payments in a year. Paying down $50 a month on a card eventually wipes out the balance. Removing one negative item at a time eventually leads to a clean report. Small wins compound. They don't just improve your score, they change your financial habits, your confidence, and your opportunities. Add positive trade lines. Negotiate your debts. Consistency equals compounding. That's the roadmap. Simple, reputable, and powerful. Remember this, credit repair is not about one big move. It's about stacking small wins every single day. Just like Michael Phelps built his success on a daily habit, you can build your financial success the same way. If you're ready to take action, join my free private community today. Sign up for credit monitoring. It's the only thing we ask you to pay for. It's $29.99 a month. Yes, I do make a $15 commission, but you get access to 3 things: Credit Complete Pro, Debt Negotiator Pro, and you can schedule a free Zoom call where I map out your step-by-step plan. This is the moment to start winning, one small step at a time. And when you stack those wins, you'll look back and you'll realize you've completely changed your financial future. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. And like I always state, you be great.